if you're transitioning from that school life to now you're working 9 to 5 girly, and your clothing went from all choice to now work, then this is the video for you. If you're anything like me, you would have noticed that your closet is all work and no fun. So today we're going to talk about changing your aesthetic in your wardrobe and sort of refining yourself through your wardrobe and your aesthetic. I'm going to go over 6 steps that'll help you to build your aesthetic and sort of refine yourself through your wardrobe. I'm going to use my phone for notes because, you know, my phone is my handy assistant and I don't know what I would do without it, honestly. Okay, so for building your style as a woman, it involves a few key steps. And number 1 is going to be exploring. So by that, I mean, sometimes it's difficult to figure out, like, what do I like? I scroll on TikTok, Instagram, social media, magazines, whatever you like to do to find out or keep up with trends and look at new outfits. I think the first thing that is good for you to do is to go into store and try them. Because when you're scrolling online and you're looking at these different outfits, it's good, but you don't know what fits you. It might look good in the picture, but then when you put it on, you're like, oh, I don't like the way this makes me feel, or I don't like the way that I look at myself through this outfit. So going in store and spending like a day, like, pamper yourself and romanticize it. You know, go and get that coffee or that drink, that bubble tea, whatever it may be, and go try on those outfits. Take your time, take your best friend. Sorry, there's something in my eye. But take your time, take your best friend, try on at least 3 outfits, which means like from top to bottom. And if you're having difficulties finding stores, just browse around and ask for help when you go to these stores. The sales associates are there to help you, and they would more than love to outfit you. Take your time. When you outfit yourself or when you're trying on your outfits, don't forget to take pictures of your outfits so that you can go back, reassess them, and see what you like and if you would change anything or add anything to it. I know that step might be a little bit dreadful if you don't like trying on clothes in store, but I think it's crucial. Unless you want to order the items, try them on, and then return them, then that's cool too. But going in and sort of refining yourself through different outfits in different stores, maybe even stores that you don't shop at, would be so beneficial. And you can have fun while you're doing it too. That's how I refine my aesthetic, and that's what I'm about to do because all my clothes says 9 to 5 and I need somewhere going outside. Summer is coming and I want to be out there. So I would like to redo my closet, and that's one of the steps that I'm going to take, so I'm sharing that with you. Look at different outfits and see what aesthetic is for you. Figure out what you like from what you don't like, and my key tip to that, or my key pointer, would be to try Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the great apps that you can use to create mood boards and see what's in style for 2024. Use those types of keywords and it'll bring the different outfits and aesthetics up to par as to what you want to try, and create a mood board and bring that in with you when you go shopping. That would be a great way to sort of guide you. This would be like your second trip around because you want to go and explore first, but your second trip when you're trying to build that aesthetic, you want to actually do your research to see what trends are in, from which ones you like, which ones you don't like, and then when you try it on, you could be like, I like this trend and it's flattering for me, but yeah, this is what I'm going to add to it, or this is what I'm going to take away from it. And Pinterest is a great way of creating that mood board that can guide you and help you when you go out. So if you're lost, or if you don't have your bestie with you that's able to help you with buying or deciding on what you're going to wear, then Pinterest would be a great bestie for you in that moment. Another place you can find great inspiration for outfits or search for different aesthetics would be Instagram. There's so many fashion influencers. I myself am one. So if you wanted to follow me on Instagram, it's Lady Ash with 3 underscores. Struggling. 3 underscores, and you'd be able to see outfit ideas, how people style things. There is an endless umbrella of help when looking for different aesthetics on social media. I can imagine TikTok. I don't really use TikTok, but Instagram I would highly suggest, as well as just any sort of social media you feel comfortable with. Fashion is everywhere, babes. Measurements. Find your measurements, measure yourself before you go to the store, and you're going to want to take those measurements with you. Why is it important? It's important because you want your items to fit you. If you've changed sizes, you're going to want to know that before you try on a bunch of other different sizes and you're like, oh, this doesn't fit, or this is too baggy, and like you don't like it and you're having an uncomfortable experience. Knowing your size gives you that confidence to go in and be like, okay, this is me, this is what I need to look for. And that helps you find items that are much more tailored to your body, and that could be so much more flattering than just guessing and buying something according to what you think fits, right? Rather than what actually fits and looks good according to your measurements. So measure yourself, write it in your phone, carry that with you. Also, if you need to get any sort of hemming or altercations, if you're gonna need any sort of alterations, then that's a great way of having your measurements with you too, so then you can take it to the seamstress to get it altered right away. Another great thing to know about yourself is your body shape. What type of body shape do you have? Do you have the Coca-Cola body? Are you pear? What type of body shape do you have? And that can really help you when looking for outfits and seeing what's flattering from what's not flattering, because not every style is made to fit or suit everybody, and you might not like the way it looks on you. So when you go in, you want to make sure that you know your body type, and there are many different charts that are available for you to check out your body type, and it is accommodating with measurements and things of such, so you can be able to figure that out and bring that in with you. Sorry, I am sort of sick, so bear with me. I'm hoarse, and I really wanted to create this video for you guys this week, so I am pushing myself. As I mentioned before, in my capsule wardrobe videos, you're going to want to invest in some basics. So having really great basics is a great way of starting to find your aesthetic. So once you've built that area, everything in aesthetic I find is layering, unless it comes to summer clothes. Fall, winter, there's a lot of layering when it comes to different aesthetics. And how can you layer if you don't have your basics? So first things first, invest in great basics and get that out of the way. I like to go to places like the Bay, Zara, Aritzia. Those are my 3 main places for basics. And sometimes I like to go to Skims. Skims has great basics and bodysuits and things of that such. If you're working on a budget, then you can also find great quality basics online on other stores, but those are some of the stores that I'm giving you from my little roster that I'm working with currently. Accessorizing is great for building your aesthetic. You can really find grunge or girly with pearls or that sort of old money look. It depends on what you're looking for, but aesthetics are a great way of pulling an outfit together. Period, point blank. I feel as though buying purses and shoes and jewelry and headbands and hats and things of such is a great way of exploring and being curious and fun, playful with your outfit. After you buy an outfit, buy a piece of an accessory or an accessory that can look good with that one outfit. I like to focus on outfit by outfit, and if I don't buy piece by piece, I buy outfit by outfit, because I know that I could wear that full outfit. I could take that outfit apart and wear it with different items, and it's a great way of monitoring what I have in my closet and keeping things together so that everything flows. But when it comes to accessorizing, it can be difficult if you have a lot of one-ofs in your closet, and then your closet's full, you have a bunch of things, and you just become that sort of like hoarder. Let's be real. You become a little bit of a hoarder when you have too many things in your closet that you're just not using and you don't know how to. So a way of avoiding that is buying the outfit first, full outfit top to bottom, and then adding the accessories, thinking about the shoes you're gonna wear with it, and adding the accessories at the end. If you have any sort of way that you work your accessories into your outfits or into your closet when you're purchasing them, comment below. I'm actually really curious and want to know exactly how you guys work with your accessories. Me, for one, I don't really have much accessories because I'm not really an accessory girl. As you could tell, I wear rings from time to time and earrings, and then I have like a few purses that I really like, and then other than that, I usually go with what I have, which is the few bits, and I always go to them, so I don't think it's necessary to purchase a lot more. But as I am growing my closet, I do want to explore and expand that as well. Being confident in what you're wearing. When you have that confidence, then the aesthetic just kind of comes with you and it follows, and then it's like you're giving cottagecore, you're giving old money, you know? So when you are going out there, build that confidence, and when you're looking for clothing to wear, when you're putting on your outfits and trying it on before you go out, you want to really feel confident in what you're wearing before you go out. And once you feel that confidence, then the aesthetic just follows. I want to take the time to thank you for viewing this video and following me on my fashion journey. I post fashion content 1 to 2 times a week. You feel free to comment any sort of topics you want me to cover in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more fashion content, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah!